Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to restore and sync your contacts on your Android phone. So you can do this pretty much with any Android phone. Now, if you don't have this application, just go to the Google Play Store and type in contacts. Now, pretty much on any Google device, like Android-based, you should have this app. It's called Contacts right here. This is going to be by Google, LLC. I already have it on my phone. But if you have like a Samsung or something like that, you can just check to see if you have this. But go to Contacts now. And we can find the app right here on the top, Contacts. This is going to be different than your phone dialing option right here. We want to go to the specific Google LLC Contacts. So we can tap it right here. We can see all our cousins and stuff. We want to go to Organize. Now under Organize, we have the option to Google Contacts Sync Setting. We can just tap this. And we can just make sure sync is turned on, and we can tap this, and we can turn on contact sync, and then we can do this little arrow that's in a circle, and we can tap that, and it should sync our contacts right there. So we can see it's on, connected to my SIM card too. This is turned on, and there's my Google account. We can turn that on right there. And then we have options to merge and fix our contacts if we have like duplicates or something like that. We can go to restore contacts down here. No contacts to restore on the account, okay. Google Contacts Setting Sync will bring me back there. And then other things like maybe we accidentally deleted someone. They're going to be in our trash can. We can restore their name. And then we have other things like import file, export file. If we have our contacts file saved from a different device, we can bring it over to there and just do that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.